Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, laptop buzzing sound problem on Windows 11, 10 easy fix. First method is change microphone settings. Second method is change output device settings. Third method is update audio dryer automatically. Fourth method is update audio driver from my computer. Fifth method is uninstall audio driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.